Hello, everyone. Thank you for coming to STENO 24/7 and subscribing and commenting, thumbs upping, all that good stuff that you guys do for me to keep me motivated to keep putting out these dictations. Tonight, I am working on case number 11, 1,000 words on the subject of assault at 200 words per minute. Ready? Let's write. Question, where do you live, Mr. Jones? Answer, City Hotel. Question, and where are you employed? Answer, United Electric Company. Question, and in what capacity? Answer, machine operator. Question, how long have you been so employed? Answer, well, I have been there 6 years. Question, now, were you in what is known as the Yellow Tavern on Main Street on December 24th, 1951? Answer, yes, sir. Question, and what time did you arrive at the tavern? Answer, about 9:30 that evening. Question, and did you leave the tavern? Answer, yes, I left for a while. Question, did you return a little later? Answer, yes, sir. Question, can you recall how long you stayed there? Answer, I stayed there until closing, 1 o'clock. Question, when you left there, did you go home? Answer, no, I went to the sandwich shop across the street. Question, when you were in this tavern, did you see the defendant while you were in there, Joseph Crew, the man that sits behind Mr. Keller? Answer, I did. Question, did you have a conversation with him at that time? Answer, no, sir, I did not. Question, at no time did you talk with him during the evening? Answer, not during the entire evening. Question, now, you say you went to the sandwich shop after the closing of the tavern? Answer, yes. Question, when you left the tavern, where did you go? Answer, I went out on the street to try to get a cab. Question, did you tell us where this sandwich shop is located? Answer, yes, I did. It is right on across the street. It's on Della Street. Question, which way were you walking after you left the sandwich shop? Answer, I was going north. Question, you were going north. Were you walking towards Walter Street? Answer, that's right, toward Walter Street. Question, you say your purpose was to find a cab. Answer, yes, sir. Question, did anything unusual happen after you left the eating place? Answer, I met Mr. Crew in the alley, right on the end of the alley there. Question, you were going north toward Walter. Answer, in the direction of Walter Street. Question, was anything said by either you or the defendant? Answer, he said, who do you think you are? Then the swinging started. Question, I suppose you mean that's when the fighting started. And if this is what you mean, where did he hit you? Answer, he hit me in the face. Also my eye. Question, did you have anything to defend yourself with? Answer, I did the best I could for myself. Question, if you remember when the fight stopped, tell us. Answer, no, I don't. Question, you state that the defendant is the man that was at the end of the alley. Do you? Answer, absolutely. Question, do you know if you were knocked unconscious? Answer, I was unconscious for 5 days. Question, and where did you wake up when you first regained consciousness? Answer, City Hospital. Question, and how long were you in City Hospital? Answer, 20 days. Question, 20 days. After you left City Hospital, did you have to return to City Hospital for treatment? Answer, I would say about 3 weeks after that. Question, you say in about 3 weeks after that. There is no question as to this man being the man that started swinging at you. Answer, that is right. Question, while you were in this tavern, did you see the defendant engaged in any other fights? Answer, the bartender stopped him from one fight that I know of. Question, you say you did see the bartender stop one fight in which he was involved. Did you? Answer, yes, sir. Question, more than one, or was it just one? Answer, that was the only one I was aware of. Question, that was the only one you noticed? Answer, yes. Question, you didn't have any argument in the bar with this defendant yourself, did you? Answer, no, sir. Question, how long after this assault took place? Was it before you were able to return to work? Answer, oh, about 4 weeks. Question, about 4 weeks. It was 4 weeks after you got out of the hospital. Answer, yes. Question, when was the next time you saw the defendant after this fight? Answer, it was when I was down at the detective's office. Question, you identified him as the man that called you a name on the night or the morning this fight took place? Answer, yes, sir. Question, and about what time would you say that took place on the morning of the 25th? Answer, about 1:10, 1:15.